Hey, welcome guys. Today we will discussing about the Ducter testing and Hipot testing. So what kind of equipments what we are using now. So I will show you as based on the actual installation and also the equipment that we are utilizing. All right? Okay, so this is our switchgear or RMEO panel. This is the bus bar connections. As you can see, there is cables that connected. This is our ductor testing, or let's say bus bar testing. So this is how you connect. And with the vendor appearance, it's also helping us to do the testing for the bus bar test. Okay, and then this is our connections of our cable compartment connection. This is how you can see from this side. You have seen the cable. That is our RYB. That is red, yellow, blue. Okay. And then this is also our connections. Okay. See this. I can see the cables as well. And this is our top connections. This is our bottom connection. So this is how we are doing for testing. So we need to test the cables, we need to test the bus bar connection, right? So this is our test equipment. We have a Meager, so 5 kb insulation tester. So the procedure of our cable testing prior to do the HIPAA testing. So we need to verify first the continuity of our cables. So we need to do the testings of our cable which is end to end. That is good insulations. And also after that, we completed our continuity test. We do the IR testing, insulation resistant testing. We need to do the Meager test. So we can see all the results. So it depends of the cables, what is the voltage grade of the cable. After you do the cable testing, so you need to proceed for our high path testing. So high path testing, you this is the procedure you complete for IR testing, and then continuity testing. Then that's the time you do the high path testing. After high path testing, you do again for the confirmations of there's no leakage current of our cable. Okay, you need to do the testing again. So for example, guys, this is our ductor testing. This is our Meager test for the bus bar connection that we need to test the bus bar. It's the low resistance that is passing during the testing. So we need to test the low resistance measurement in order that our connections of our bus bar is totally tight. All the bolt is tight. There is no losing of the bolt so that we can get the correct value of our resistance. So that is the important thing, and you can refer the vendor procedures. What is the reference of the measurements? Okay, and this is only a sort of the sample. 10 amps DC to measure resistance, zero point 0.1 microohms to 2,000 ohms. Okay, and this is also another testing part of the equipment that is a DLRO. So you can see the testing that is connected to our also bus bar. So the previous one that you have to test the bus bar, and this one this kind of testing that this is kind of a clamp. You clamp the bus bar connection, or you tied in the connections of a bus bar. And the previous one that I'm telling to you, that's a Migger that you need to press like there's two left and right that you need to just like pressing the bus bar connection. And this kind of testing that there is a clamp to clamp in the bus bar connection or to tight in the bus bar connection. So this is the same testing that we will do the low resistance testing. That's what we can say that bus bar connection. If you can see the low resistance testing, meaning you will know that is bus bar testing. Okay, so you have an idea about that. So for the testing of the mid-gear or DLRO low resistance ohmmeter that can be tested through this switch and contact breaker resistance, bus bar, cable joints of the bus bar, and also static control circuits, and also in the battery system. Okay, and transformer and motor winding resistance, also wire and cable resistance. There's a lot of purposes of this DLRO test equipment. Okay, uh, so during the walk down, during the testing, so we will verify all of this okay, and then the inspector completed their testing, etc. All the test ITR checklist is completed, and then that's the time we are verifying and will sign all is okay, approved, test equipment, test result, etc. That's the time we are signing the ITR. So as part of the construction tip, we will signing these ITRs. Okay. So thank you guys, and thank you for watching. I will see you at the other videos.